Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm going to show you kawaii things that you should buy, my top picks that I saw on TikTok. The first one is these adorable My Melody AirPod containers. They're super cute. And I love how they have the charms on them. Second is this bunny alarm clock. It's so super cute in the pastel pink color, and it would look perfect in a kawaii room. Next are these stuffed animal bunnies, and they come in this zippered container, kind of like a bag of chips would be. It has a little see-through opening where you can see all the little bunnies, and you could take them out and put them back in. Super cute. And then next, everyone loves string lights for their rooms, and these are some super cute starlights that have little faces on them. They're adorable. They have little like rosy cheeks. Next is a Hello Kitty alarm clock. I actually have one that looks like a cup of tea. This one is Hello Kitty sleeping in bed. It's super cute. Next is a Pusheen purse. It's a super cute kawaii thing that you should buy. And all this stuff I found on Amazon. Next is a My Melody pillow. She looks super cute with her big hair bow. And the top of it says, "Give me a smile." Next are kawaii pens. They're squishy and super cute. Their little faces on them. And notice the unicorn one, how she's sleeping. So adorable. Next is this AirPod case. It's a Sour Patch Kids. It looks like a little Sour Patch Kids wrapper, and I love the bright colors of it. So next I'm just going to go show you on Amazon some other cute kawaii items. They have phone cases, they have purses, they have pens. These pens are super cute. Each pen has a little face of a cat on it. I love this hat. It's like light blue. It has strawberries. And so I clicked on it to see what other colors it comes in. It has this avocado. And it has a white avocado and a green avocado. But I like the pink one the best with the strawberries. And they have these super cute headphones. There are the Sour Patch Kids AirPods I showed you. And they're just $10.99. So in this part you could get an idea of the prices of everything I showed you. How cute is this money bank? It's got a cute little kitty cat on the front, and you can put like a code in it so that nobody else can get in your bank, and it's $25. So I hope you liked seeing what my picks of the favorite things of kawaii things you should buy were. If you want me to go into the stores and try to find some of these things, I will. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.